Yo, that's classic.
Bitch, man. I'm finna show y'all how I really get the fuck down on this beat, man. Just a little something, man. I don't know rock it, man. Shout out Google, shout out Tenno, shout out Baby K, man. Y'all know the fuck about them my grandsons, man. Shout out Uzi too, man. Y'all know the fucking rock it, man. I don't know why these niggas tryna chase his face. I just fucked this nigga, bitch. Now I'm on the mission. I'm at gon' hit, got my fucking glizzy. Now I slide through your block and I let off 50. Niggas with that huffin' and puffin'. Niggas bout to quit playin' cause I make it bad disappear like quicksand. I don't really give a fuck cause I don't really chase shit. The only thing that I'm chasing is my paper. I don't give no fuck. I'ma spit that nigga wig with my fucking llama. And if you're talking so much shit, I might go and fuck his mama. Put that fucking 40 to his head. Now I got his ass screaming to his mama. I hate his ass up in his fucking head. Now he gone. What's wrong with you pussy ass boy? I better quit talking cause I don't really give a fuck. And I ain't with the internet beef. Just catch me up in these fucking streets. That's where you catch me at over east. Well, that's where I'm from. You niggas bitches, you niggas hoes, get exposed. I hit his ass up in his face with this fold. Better make his body fold. You niggas hoes. The niggas bout to stop tryna chase it. You niggas hoes. The only thing that I'm chasing is my fucking paper. Shoot a nigga dead up in his face with my fucking pipe. That bitch blowing like a laser. I don't give no fuck for this bitch. And tell that bitch to go on here and suck my dick. Cause since I've been a fucking shorty, I've been wildin' with the sticks. I don't give no fucking name time about to control sticks. I don't really give a fuck cause I ain't with the internet beat. So watch how you talking to me. Cause I ride through your block and let out shots with my fucking heat. Put a pussy nigga down 6 feet. I don't really give a fuck. I may fuck this bitch. Go ahead. Tell that bitch gon' hit and give me some head. I don't really give no fuck. I heard these niggas take a talk to the feds. What's wrong with you niggas? Y'all some pussies. I don't really give a fuck. And all my niggas that I'm with, they gonna fucking slide and glide. And we'll slide through any fucking body block and let them fucking shots and hitting it up in their face. With them them rocks, them choppers, and them bitches spinning like a ladder. Shoot a nigga dead up in his face. I ain't gonna fuck his bitch and put that bitch to the test. I don't really give a fuck. I hit it dead up